Imagine this, you need a password for an old account and it's nowhere to be found. We've all been there. But what if I told you your iPhone already has them saved and waiting for you? In this video, I'm going to show you not one, but two secret spots where your iPhone stashes those crucial login details. Method number one. First up, let's dive into your iPhone. We're heading to a place that used to be hidden deep in your settings, but is now its very own app. Swipe all the way over to your app library. In the search bar, simply type passwords. And open that app right up. Yep, it's that easy. This is your iPhone's built-in password manager and it's a game changer. Once inside, you'll see a list of all your saved logins. You can easily tap on any entry to reveal your username after your email address, and with a quick tap, unmask the password itself. This is incredibly handy for quickly accessing those app and website logins you're saved directly on your iPhone. But what if you got passwords linked to your Google account? We've got you covered there too. Many of us use Google Chrome or have Google accounts linked everywhere. And guess what? Google often saves a separate set of your passwords. This next method is crucial because it can reveal a whole different set of logins that aren't in your iPhone's passwords app. Open up Chrome or Safari, doesn't matter which one. Make sure you're on google.com and that you're signed into your Google account. Look for your profile picture at the very top of the page and tap on it. Next, tap on your name, scroll down, and click on Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account dashboard. Now this is where many people get lost, so pay close attention. At the top of the page, you'll see various tabs like Home, Personal Info, etc. Swipe across these tabs until you find Security. Tap on that. Now, scroll down until you see the section titled Password Manager. Tap on Manage Passwords within that section. And there you have it. This is where Google keeps its own collection of your saved passwords. Just like in the iPhone's password app, you can tap on any entry to see your username and reveal the password. This is a goldmine for anyone who uses Google services extensively. So there you have it, two powerful ways to uncover all those lost passwords right from your iPhone. Do you find it hard to share the Wi-Fi password when you have friends over? Well, check out our full guide on 2 easy ways to share a Wi-Fi password with your guests.